News just coming in that Uddhav Thackeray has and his party, that is Uddhav Sena, Uddhav Thackeray Shiv Sena, has got permission to hold a rally at Shivaji Park on Dusshera day. Remember, there has been back and forth between the Chief Minister, who is his version of Shiv Sena, and Uddhav Thackeray's version of Shiv Sena. Vinaya Deshpande, our Mumbai bureau chief, is joining me on the phone line. Vinaya, how are you looking at this development? A shot in the arm for Uddhav Thackeray?
Well, absolutely, Marya. This is a big decision and a big relief coming from the Bombay High Court for the Uddhav Thackeray group, because remember, the Shiv Sena has claimed that it has been for the past several decades that it has been holding the Dusshera rally at the Shivaji Park. In fact, the Bombay High Court firstly dismissed the interim application that was filed by Sada Sarvankar on behalf of Eknath Shinde group, claiming that they should be heard and that theirs was the real Shiv Sena. The court, while on one hand refused to get into the arguments of which was the real Shiv Sena, it has definitely given a decision that is seen as a shot in the arm for Uddhav Thackeray. The court has given them a permission, green signal, to go ahead and hold their Dusshera rally, an annual event of the Shiv Sena for the last several decades. In fact, the court, even while dictating its order, had said that the police were aware that there were two applications which were likely to come in this issue, that the police had said that there would be a law and order situation, but they will have to take care, the police will have to take care that the law and order situation is maintained at the ground where this is going to take place. So clearly a shot in the arm for Uddhav Thackeray. The Bombay High Court, in a relief for the group, has allowed them to hold their annual Dusshera rally at Shivaji Park, something that the Shiv Sena has been doing since its inception in the 1960s, Marya. It is something that the Shiv Sena has always been associated with, and that is why this time we saw the tussle between both the groups. While both the groups had sought permission on the MMRDA ground as well, after the BMC had refused permission to both the groups for holding a rally at the Shivaji Park, the Uddhav Thackeray group had gone to the court, and now this relief coming from the Bombay High Court. Back to you.
Vinaya, continue to stay with us. Mihir, have you managed to speak to anybody in Eknath Shinde's camp? This certainly is a setback for them.
Absolutely. This was during the lunch when we did speak to Mr. Anil Parab, who was present in the court. In fact, he was present through the entire hearing. He was saying that he was confident that this case would be won by Shiv Sena, because the manner in which the council of Shiv Sena...
Okay, just hold on to your thoughts. Just hold on to your thoughts. We have a member of Eknath Shinde's Council of Ministers, Deepak Kesarkar, is joining me. Mr. Kesarkar, how are you looking at this development? This certainly will be seen as a setback for you and your government.
Not a setback, because whatever the court decides, that is binding on everybody. So if they have given the permission, they should hold it there. But they have taken an undertaking from them of good behavior. That is what I have heard, because I have not gone through the judgment as yet, but on certain conditions they have given this permission.
Yes, but the fact is,
I understand.
But the fact is that when it is about the real Shiv Sena, and Uddhav Thackeray will be holding that crucial rally, which is very significant of Shiv Sena, and he will be addressing the Shiv Sainiks, will that not be seen as a setback for Mr. Eknath Shinde, who has been claiming that he has the support of the party
workers?
Our
rally would be much bigger than our rally would be much bigger than the that fraction of Shiv Sena, because our existence is throughout Maharashtra, and from all over Maharashtra, Shiv Senics will be coming for our rally. So we'll hold another rally. That is obvious.
But you wanted to hold that rally, keeping in mind the tradition that started with Bala Saheb, where he has been addressing the Dusshera crowd, the Shiv Sainiks on that very important Dusshera day, and now Uddhav Thackeray will be doing so. And this is coming in the backdrop of that coup that has happened, where Eknath Shinde has run away, which is believed with a significant part of the Shiv Sena. But if Uddhav Thackeray addresses the Shiv Sainiks on that very important Dusshera day from the same place where his father did, this would mean and give a signal to the Shiv Sainiks.
I don't think so. People can compare the rally, and when they compare the rally, the same grace that Babasaheb had while celebrating Dusshera rally, it will be there wherever we hold the rally.
Okay, but Mr. Kesarkar, where exactly did your petition go wrong?
I'm not really aware because I was with the Honorable CM in Delhi. We are all the time working, not after this. These are all, it's a kind of that you will have to run the government. We have so many other things to attend, and especially
certainly,
the
we
Maratha
understand
reservation
that.
was our first priority.
Yes.
And you must have observed that all the Rajya Pramukhs, they are supporting Mr. Eknath Shinde. So there is no question whether if rally is held on Shivaji Park or not. The entire Shiv Seniks from all over India are with Mr. Eknath Shinde, and that we have shown in Delhi.
So
we continue to do.
Yes. But Mr. Kesarkar, you certainly would have wanted to hold the Dusshera rally on the Dusshera day, that important Shiv Sena rally from Shivaji Park, and that is the reason why you had wanted to hold it in Shivaji Park. You could have held it at MMRDA ground or any other place, but the reason why your party and Eknath Shinde camp was emphasizing because of the history that is associated with this, the political significance of it.
To a certain extent, you will have to understand that whatever the court decides, one has to accept, and whether we wanted it or not, when the court decides, then that means that we have to hold it elsewhere, and that will be held with the same grace that Babasaheb was holding the rally, because we continue to have run the party on Babasaheb's thought. And I don't think that Congress, Babasaheb would have ever accepted Congress and NCP as his partners.
Okay. And Mr. Kesarkar, before I let you go, what next for Eknath Shinde? I mean, I'm sure you would have spoken to him. Overall, the sense is that you will be holding it in another ground. Same day, Uddhav Thackeray addresses from the traditional Shivaji Park. Will it be about show of strength then as to how many Shiv Seniks attend this rally or that rally?
When we go to any part of Maharashtra, the rallies are more than black in each part of Maharashtra, whether it is Aurangabad, whether it is Jalgaon. So you must see the pictures of those rallies. So naturally, Mr. Shinde is accepted by the people of Maharashtra. So naturally, he will continue with the traditions of Babasaheb, and he will hold a rally in Mumbai for Dusshera.
Where exactly will it be then? You'll have to change your venue.
Could be at BKC also, because we are given permission at BKC ground. So it could be, because it is not Mr. Shinde to decide. But we are already preparing ourselves for the rally, and it will be a big rally.
So you're hoping that it could be at the BKC ground is what you're saying, Mr. Kesarkar?
Probably, because we are given permission at BKC ground. So we may hold a rally there. It's a bigger ground than Shivaji Park.